Chemistry of Psilocybin by me. Explain the molecule and the effects. Psilocybin is an hallucinogenic alkaloid found in some toadstools. Psilocybin mushrooms produce a change in conscious mood, thought, and perception that people may call a trip or a psychedelic experience. Especially at high dosage, the effects can be extremely intense and indescribable. I chose psilocybin as my molecule because I wanted to fully understand what kind of magical value this fungi has on people's mental health. The hallucinogen can reset the brain of people with untreatable depression, raising hopes of future treatment. Molecule research. The molecular weight of psilocybin is 284.252 grams per mole, and this is the molecule formula. Some historians believe that magic mushrooms may have been used as far back as 9000 BC in North Africa. Indigenous cultures, based on representatives in rock paintings, statues, and other representatives of what appears to be mushrooms. But what makes my molecule so interesting? Psilocybin can activate the hippocampus and anterior cingulate cortex, which are associated with dreaming. And because the drug can temporarily alter the paths in your brain, thinking outside the box becomes natural. A discovery and subsequent mind-altering experience by Harvard University's psychologist Timothy F. Leary have left scientists longing to develop a large-scale synthesis of the compound for medical use, which include treating anxiety and depression in people with terminal cancer and treating nicotine addiction. The molecule structure. First, the skeletal structure, as you can see these double lines over here. These double lines over there, those are double bonds, and these single lines over here are single bonds. A skeletal structure shows the skeleton of a molecule, which is composed of skeletal atoms that make up the molecule. It is represented in 2D. And over here in the Lewis dot structure, these over here, these 2 dots here are single bonds, and these 4 dots here are double bonds. Lewis dot structure are important because they help visualize the valence electrons of atoms and molecules, whether they exist as a lone pair or within a bond. And yeah, the 3D structure. The dotted lines over here in the middle, the hexagon, means that it's aromatic or benzene ring, I'm not sure. And the black dots and lines over here, these are carbon. The gray over here is hydrogen. The blue over here is nitrogen, right here. The red is oxygen, and the orange is phosphorus. 3D structure is important because it can show in 3D how the molecule is structured, so there could be a physical model made of it. And I believe 3D structure does the best job showing the important parts of my psilocybin molecule. And here are my references. Okay, now about the author. Malika Richards is a junior at Summit Sierra High School. She is enjoying learning about how chemistry plays a role in her daily life, especially biochemistry, and plans to attend the University of Washington to explore her interests in science. Thank you, the end. 여기 복잡한 도시 좀 살만해도 내게 살만하지